Good morning. Today I'm gonna open up my kiln. Today is a bisque kiln. So let's see what happened. Be careful. Yes. Very tight in here, but we can manage. Yes. What is this? Okay. What do you guys think? I have a cork. It's a piggy bank that somebody from work asked me to do for her. What do you think?
Cute.
Cute. Thank you. I also think it's cute. Okay. This cup I made for Shil. She had a birthday. It's gonna be black and white. She likes black and white, so black clay, white clay. Let's see what happens. This mug, it's comfortable. You see, you asked me if it's gonna be comfortable to hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it is. I like it.
Let me see the handle. Interesting.
Interesting, but comfortable. These are gonna be ashtrays. Yes, my kids keep breaking my cereal bowls, so I don't know. Just
It doesn't look like a bowl.
it doesn't look like, I don't know. It looks like a small plate.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like it. All right. Next, what do we have here? That's what you made. That's the plate you made. Okay, now this I'm gonna make like necklaces. You don't say necklaces. How do you call it? Like a pendant.
Yes.
Pendant. Yes. Monterey. I made lots of Montereys. Can you show? Yes. My son. I always had one, and my son. He likes to, when he hugs me, he likes to give me, he likes to squeeze me when he hugs me. So it's the second time the tail broke because he squeezes me very hard. I like him, but he breaks it every time, I don't know. So I decided to make a lot of them. Oh, you see? Bowls.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make more because just only yesterday he broke another one, my son. So this is also something. Oh, forget this. I mean, don't forget about it, but it's this is something that I decided to make and maybe like try to sell them on Etsy. I'm not good at selling, but I like making things, so we'll see what happens. This, I actually saw a video showing how to make like a plate, and then like squeezing it. I made it on the wheel, and then you take like a wooden board, and I shoved it from here and squeezed it from here, and this is what happened. What do you guys think?
Nice.
Nice? Thank you. Okay. Now this is the fun part, Ran, because today... Now, if you guys think it's crazy, well then I'm going to agree with you, because look at the size of this jar. Every breakfast we drink water with lemon juice and ginger, fresh ginger, cut ginger. And Iran always complains that the mugs that I make, they're always too small for him, so I decided to challenge myself. Thank you. So 1, 2, 3, 3. Yes, where am I going to put it? 3, 4.
Nice. Nice handles.
Nice handles. Nice size, nice handles. All right, and this is for the utensils for the kitchen. See, I made holes.
Yep.
I made 3 cylinders, and then I cut them, and then I glued them together, and this is how it looks at the bottom. This is gonna be like for the knives and the forks, and this is gonna be for the teaspoons. So yes, you see, this is a nice size cup, but it's not good enough for everyone, right? So anyway, and this is also, I made the handle like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I enjoyed making it. If you like, subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, please write and share. Thank you very much from Cyprus. Bye.